Have you ever found yourself constantly running to the bathroom or feeling that uncomfortable pressure in your lower abdomen? If so, you're not alone. Bladder health is something many people overlook until it becomes a problem. But maintaining a healthy bladder is crucial for overall well-being and can significantly improve your quality of life. Let's dive into some practical tips that can help you keep your bladder in top shape. First and foremost, staying hydrated is key. It might seem counterintuitive, especially if you're dealing with frequent trips to the bathroom, but drinking enough water is essential for bladder health. Water helps flush out toxins and bacteria from your urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Aim for about 8 glasses a day, but remember that individual needs can vary. If you're active or live in a hot climate, you might need more. Just be mindful of your body's signals and adjust accordingly. Now, let's talk about what you're drinking. While water is your best friend, certain beverages can be your worst enemy when it comes to bladder health. Caffeine and alcohol are known irritants that can lead to increased urgency and frequency. If you're a coffee lover or enjoy a glass of wine, try to moderate your intake. Opt for decaffeinated versions or herbal teas, which are gentler on your bladder. And if you do indulge, balance it out with plenty of water to help mitigate the effects. Diet plays a significant role in bladder health as well. Certain foods can irritate the bladder and exacerbate symptoms like urgency and frequency. Spicy foods, acidic fruits like oranges and tomatoes, and artificial sweeteners are common culprits. Keeping a food diary can help you identify any triggers and make necessary adjustments. On the flip side, incorporating bladder-friendly foods like pears, bananas, and whole grains can support your urinary health. A balanced diet rich in fiber can also prevent constipation, which can put pressure on the bladder and worsen symptoms. Exercise is another important factor. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, which in turn reduces pressure on the bladder. It also promotes good circulation and overall health. But did you know that specific exercises can strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, which support the bladder? Kegel exercises are particularly effective. These involve contracting and relaxing the muscles you use to stop the flow of urine. Doing Kegels regularly can improve bladder control and reduce the risk of incontinence. Speaking of incontinence, it's a common issue that many people are hesitant to talk about. But it's important to address it head on. If you're experiencing leakage, don't be embarrassed. It's more common than you might think, especially as you age. There are various treatments available, from pelvic floor exercises to medications and even surgical options in severe cases. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help you find the best solution for your situation. Another tip for a healthy bladder is to practice good bathroom habits. This might sound simple, but it's often overlooked. Don't hold it in for too long, as this can stretch and weaken your bladder muscles over time. Aim to empty your bladder every 3 to 4 hours during the day. When you do go, take your time to ensure your bladder is fully emptied. This can help prevent infections and reduce the risk of bladder stones. Hygiene is also crucial for bladder health. For women, wiping from front to back after using the toilet can prevent bacteria from entering the urinary tract. Wearing breathable, cotton underwear and avoiding tight-fitting clothes can also reduce the risk of infections. If you're prone to urinary tract infections, UTIs, consider taking showers instead of baths and avoiding scented products that can irritate the urethra. Stress management is another important aspect of bladder health. Stress can exacerbate symptoms of overactive bladder and incontinence. Finding ways to relax and manage stress can have a positive impact on your bladder. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help calm your mind and body. Regular exercise, as mentioned earlier, is also a great stress reliever. If you're dealing with bladder issues, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. A healthcare professional can help diagnose any underlying conditions and recommend appropriate treatments. Conditions like interstitial cystitis, overactive bladder, and UTIs require medical attention and should not be ignored. Early intervention can prevent complications and improve your quality of life. In addition to these tips, there are some lifestyle changes that can support bladder health. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your bladder. Smoking is a major risk factor for bladder cancer and can also worsen symptoms of overactive bladder. If you need help quitting, there are resources available, from support groups to medications. Maintaining a healthy weight is also important. Excess weight can put pressure on the bladder and pelvic floor muscles, leading to incontinence and other issues. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, benefiting your bladder and overall health. It's also worth mentioning the importance of regular checkups. Routine visits to your healthcare provider can help catch any potential issues early on. If you have a family history of bladder problems or other risk factors, be sure to discuss these with your doctor. They can recommend screenings or preventive measures to keep your bladder healthy. In summary, maintaining a healthy bladder involves a combination of good hydration, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices. By paying attention to your body's signals and making mindful choices, you can support your bladder health and improve your overall well-being. Don't be afraid to seek medical advice if you're experiencing issues. Early intervention can make a big difference. So, take these tips to heart and give your bladder the care it deserves. Your body will thank you. And thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe to the channel.